Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, basically we will work with objects that will help add animation to the site. Let's start with a free object, SnowFall. There are some settings. Let's see result without changing them. Here we can see snowfall just for this page. There are no snow for this page. Let's change some styles. We can set start and end data or just leave it on the site for all time. If you want to show the snowfall on all pages, then you need go, for example, here and add it somewhere here. As you can see, we have snowfall here. We have it on all pages. We can change settings. So if you like this object and you want to use it on all pages, you need to paste it, for example, in header or footer. Let's see another animation object, bounty. It's paid object, so you need to buy it first. How to buy credits and how then buy objects you can learn from my previous lesson. Now I already buy it and let's see. We can change some settings, for example currency. Some font styles. Animation duration and some styles. Let's see another style. Let's leave it like this. Another object for animation is Textillate. It's also paid object and it's helped to animate text. For example, something like this. Also, we can change font styles. We can animate characters or words. We have a lot of animation. We can set duration. We can set start final effect. So, with the help of this object, you can animate some text on your site. Let's work with another object. It's social object. It's free. Let's place it and see what we've got. You need to register here. I already registered, so I just log in. You can choose different widgets, for example, this. You can add some account. I already added before. Now we need to choose source, for example, album, profile pictures. This is my profile pictures from Facebook. Let's leave it like this. Let's add some description. You can change these options, for example, hover effect, share buttons. We will see it here. This is our hover effect. We can make it responsive for mobile devices. Preview in new window. And now let's get the code. Copy this code and insert it here. Let's make it not so wide. Save it and look for result. Here we can see share buttons, hover effect, and so on. You can change source, for example, page, or you can change album, for example, timeline footers. Change another settings, and in this way you can share on your site some pictures from your social media accounts, and other visitors of your site can share it in their social media accounts. In the following video tutorials, we will look at other additional objects and useful settings.